Today, I'm going to create and backtest the strategy using two simple indicators. This will show you that you don't need complicated trading strategies to make money trading. First, pick a chart. It could be Forex, crypto, or stocks. Then choose a time frame. I recommend using either the 5 or 15-minute time frame. Alright, let's kick things off by adding an indicator called MAX1 EMA Cross Plus Trend Channel to your chart. Once added, you might notice that the signals aren't quite accurate yet, but don't worry. All we need to do is tweak a few settings to fine-tune it. First, head over to the input section. Here, you'll want to change the fast EMA to 21, which makes the indicator more representative to price changes. Next, set the medium EMA to 45 to smooth out the data. Ensure the MA type is set to EMA, short for exponential moving average. To get a broader view of the market trends, we need to select a higher time frame for the indicator. Since we're using the 5-minute chart, let's choose the 15-minute time frame in the indicator settings. Make sure to enable those options: bar color, alert, and channel range. They'll help you visualize the data more effectively and stay on the top of the important changes. Lastly, feel free to personalize the appearance of the indicator in the style section. Have fun experimenting with colors and style until it perfectly suits your preferences. But hold up a second. Before we dive into the second indicator, I've got to tell you something important. If you haven't subscribed to the TradeGenius channel, you're seriously missing out. We've shared over 300 killer trading strategies that'll make your head spin. By subscribing, you'll never miss a thing and can binge watch all our videos to become a trading wise in no time. Alright, now that you've hit the subscribe button, let's get back to the strategy. Let's talk about our second indicator, the MACD leader. You can see since MACD uses moving averages, it tends to lag behind the price, which can be a bummer. While we can totally get rid of the lag, there's a neat trick called zero lag that can help. It works by adding a bit of the price MA difference back to the MA. The MACD leader uses this technique to give us a leading signal for MACD. But hold your horses. We're not gonna use the MACD leader for generating signals. We need to hop into the settings and make a few tweaks. So we need to make some adjustments in the input section. First, set the fast link to 45. Then change the slow link to 90. Next, switch the signal length to 21. Make sure both Show MACD and Show MACD signal options are turned on. After that, hop over to the Style tab and turn off the MACD Leader option. Then go ahead and change the MACD to columns. Feel free to customize the signal and label options appearance to your liking. One cool feature of the Mix 1 indicator is how it shows the trend direction. For example, if the price is below the red channel, that means we're in a downtrend, and so we should look for selling opportunities. Here we will spot a short signal candle that's also below the red channel, which is great. But let's double check the market momentum with the MACD Leader indicator. If the column is below the zero level and beneath the yellow signal line, we can confirm that there's a bearish momentum. In this case, we have the green light to open a sell position. To play it safe, set your stop loss at the most recent market swing high, just in case things don't go as planned. For your take profit target, aim for 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. This way, you're making a smart and calculated move in the market. Alright, now let's dive into executing a buy trade. First, we'll use the Mix 1 indicator to identify the trend. If the price is above the green channel, we're in an uptrend, so we should look for a buying opportunity. Next, we need to spot the signal candle. We're looking for a long signal candle that's also above the green channel, indicating the market is moving in our favor. But before jumping in, we'll need to check out the MACD Leader indicator for extra confirmation. If the column is above the zero level and the yellow signal line, that tells us there's bullish momentum in the market, giving us the green light to proceed. Now, it's time to open a buy position and potentially make some profit. But to play it safe, set your stop loss at the most recent market swing low to protect yourself in case the trend changes unexpectedly. Finally, determine your take profit target by aiming for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Now let's take a look at how this strategy performed over 300 trades on the 5-minute gold chart. The win rate was an impressive 77%, showing that this strategy is pretty reliable in identifying profitable opportunities. The P&L, profit and loss, resulted in a whopping 1,535% profit, demonstrating the strategy's effectiveness in generating substantial returns. The profit factor was 5.22, indicating that the potential reward significantly outweighs the risk. The max drawdown stays under 5%, which is fantastic, as it shows the strategy does a great job of managing risk and protecting your capital. Overall, these results suggest this strategy has the potential to be highly profitable while managing risk effectively, making a solid approach for trading on the 5-minute gold chart.